Share this video, it's a short video. Go cook chop and shop. No, we are eating young. Share this video so they hold don't play. Hey, are you boy yo?
Hello my amazing people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends of where una dey see our video from. I greet everybody according to una time. My people, we don't carry another delicious matter come again. Now who we won't watch today, my amazing people? We won't watch UMENWAN TV, aka Baba when they smile, where you for address the matter when they for grand about our politics for Edo State. My people, I would like to leave una, make una relax and listen to this very video. Please don't forget to like and share. Drop your opinion on our comment section below. Tell us what you think about this very video. And my people, before you go, please don't forget to drop that your lazy subscriber for me. God bless you. Stay blessed, and want to appreciate every one of you for your love, your support, your like, your share. I really appreciate everyone.
Share this
God
video
bless
and give
you.
me love and like. Share video now. I want to talk. Share this video. Share this video. Call me those APC members, APC media, commenter, presenter, live video, campaign team, whatever they call themselves. Call me. Share this video. Go be there. Okay, that's how I don't play much music because I don't make the video long. I don't play much music. Just want to go straight to the point to send my message straight to the APC media team, APC media campaign team. Yes, me I remove my eyeglass of face, but they notice now. When I talk to them, you understand about this man. See what all this is from Victor, the one of the universe, the social media king, the social media kubara, the social media autonomous, the social media anyone. Yeah, you boy, social media boss, social media akubisi. Hunda, you know see akubisi rock by me, but my baba with this man. Just do my drink. I want I don't want to drink. I want to talk to people. I want to talk to elderly people. But they don't hear me. Woman, if I'm blown because everywhere they hot, don't understand. Now, please, guys, as you're watching this video, share this video. Share it to all the APC campaign team, group, whatever. You understand? I'm not a politician, so I don't support anybody. You understand? Who they do well, who they praise them, who they lose God, who any loophole they will see as beneath people we life, we love our state. We'll talk on the way be. I see a lot of APC campaign team that they against the protests when they go on now. Because why? They don't see the election, they come and they campaign. In the FBC, they don't see now the protest now go against APC. Yes, I know. I understand now. Now, pains. When I calm down, maybe I have talk to now as advice for the campaign team of APC governorship campaign for this Edo State election when it comes to. Now, I want to talk to. Let's leave federal. You understand? Because majority of the protests when they go on and about federal. You understand? So let's leave federal. Let's come to my state, Edo State. I know say APC na get now campaign team, na get una media campaign team. Bro, look I let no one thing. Your Excellency, the candidate of APC, Senator Monday Ukbewuru and Dennis Deku Idaosa. I don't understand. I don't really understand the two of you now, for real. Nobody tell me the truth. You see me, so I go tell you the truth because why? The way I go talk and tell now, that's why I go tell Aswin Gudaro and Sarodion the truth. You understand? We will not be our papa, we will not be our slave, we will not be our workers. Once send a message go, we will be avenue, we go work for us. So when before we send that they go there, we get right to take correction now. We're not for the fuck up. As the masses, because you people are working for the masses. Now the same masses who want vote now in. When they work for, when the masses will see what they do not clear, the masses still get right and the voice to also let you guys know that what you guys are doing is not clear. Now, first of all, the media team of APC is totally down. If you never know, make una dey know, I'm going to give una lip hole of una media team. Una be like, sorry to say, oh, the way I'm going to describe, I'm not vessel. When I pick sense from all my nonsense for this video, I want to do so. APC media campaign team group. When I pick sense where they decide this video, when I throw away the nonsense, because in every nonsense, there's always a sense. APC media team is going totally down. You know the function. Now criticism a day. You know they showcase anything where the world will see, where the diaspora people will see. You understand? You know not they organize. Most of the live video presenters, the bloggers of APC media team, they are haters of themselves. They don't love themselves. Majority of them are standing there, they are in that same group or that same union or that same whatever to get money from APC. Unfortunately, APC is not even releasing money to the media. We never know the chop if not the organ, the way they are top, where they form, say that they be the coordinator, that they chop the money. I don't know that one of my business. But as active, where the media is supposed to be active, the media is not even active. Normally, the criticism when they criticize PDP media team, try to pick the sense of PDP media team to correct your own. It is very, very important. If you look at the PDP now, the Aso in Godaro and the media team is active and working. Imagine Monday Okpeboro and Dennis Daosa. How many months to now before election will start? I never see your left una media team where we wear face cap of una. Face cap, ordinary face cap. As cheap as face cap, where you feel go do for year. For where they put for putting press here, 10 euro or 15 euro. When we feel go do, me I get face cap, I get t-shirts. On my own way, say na my name day. Where you feel go pretty press for year for Italy here, you go do one 15 euro, 10 euro, 11 euro, depends on the quality. Now APC, they don't get face cap, they don't get t-shirts. For since how many months ago when they don't do primary? You understand? Now recently here, this same week where we did so, now they give people appointment letter for the media team. Now they share appointment letter. They never share face cap. Election don't near corner. Oh boy, if you not get money to take campaign, una go sit down, put person where you get money. It's very simple. The truth is bitter. Somebody have to say it out. How can you be a governor? You want to governor your whole state, Edo state for that matter. We know they see your interview. We know they see your interview so that they interview you. You they talk to the people. You they tell the people what you want to do for those state people. I now understand APCO. Whether not deaf and dumb no one give us as governor, we never know. We never really know. Somebody have to speak. Over here, not be matter of say now criticism. You understand? You cannot be a governor of a state. You never go any radio station, go give a speech, go for interview, go for quiz competition with your opponents. All these governors, what welfare come in, we know how they come up. And at the end of the day, people will go to use them and look waiting they talk their speech. We cannot understand. Are you people giving us Oshomole or at the third tenor? Is it Oshomole that is coming into Edo State for the third tenor? Bringing Okpeboro as like a soundboard. Bringing Okpeboro as like a soundboard. While the engine room is Oshomole. We not go like what I go talk, but not the reality. Because nobody be fool. If you be governor, you want contest as a governor. Let us be seeing your speech. Whether na PG you want talk, na correct English you want speak, or your urbanization you want speak. Now you go tell the moderator the language you want to communicate with the people before facing you with camera as a candidate. But this one, we not hear anything. Oyepa, don't be saying that money na carry give me media team where they do their live broadcast. I never see. Not be t-shirts, not be face cap. We know they see na so wrong criticism. Now would they see, would they wash where una they do? For how long are we going to continue hearing criticism from APC? Oyepa, tell us what you want to do for Edo State. Let us know your agenda. If now you they come in, sorry, on a Pastor Ize Yamu, now they come in, may we know. Come on, not try my live stream, APC. More I not try my live screen. I not be others now media team we don't know anything about system. May we go on fire on our generation. Now where they flash this video, now we're going on fire on our generation. I not be all those mumu people when I put on a group when I don't want to do live video, they don't know what to do control media room. I not come here. Me I not whip now with all of them useless brokers. When you trying yourself. Rubbish. I will say one very soon now will come that they call our family for us, but they go vote. Person who want vote for, we know they see him. Just watch PDP, their media team. You see Aswan Godaro for UK. If they talk up and down, Aswan Godaro they go for meet and greet. OPC waiting this. Oga, our candidates, APC candidates, Honorable Senator Mode Okpeburu, he not get visa. He not get visa to Europe. One another vex na question. He not get visa to Europe na question. Why you know they do meet and greet? You know they go for questioning. One another vex so na question. You understand? I got beg. I use go beg. I'm gonna systemize the media team. People go just imagine now. I never even started the talk now. I only press my laptop. I only press my laptop for my phone again. But like someone don't know who sit down here to talk. You understand? Now advice I come for, come give APC candidate and the media team. They're not the function. If we not get money to take campaign, we can tell us, may we do contribution. May we do contribution. If you get una give money, we don't spread money, when let us know. You understand? Because now when I know say Agabagebe did this na matter so. Pastor Ize Iyamu na come and say he want campaign. He want become governor. Suddenly we don't know what happen. We don't know what happen. Who we know for poster for APC? Dennis Deko Idaosa, Ize Iyamu, Agbabola, and so many and so on. We come and say they want campaign. Before overnight, they switch on. They see na Senator Okpeburu na emu. Okay, we agree. And those people say they agree. Anything we want to give those people, they go accept them. The next thing, they carry Deku, they attach and John Okpeburu, say na deputy. Because of to compensate Oga itself, Adamu Oleguda, or some to compensate Oshomole. Fine and good, we agree put. Obiepa, let the campaign start. Maybe they see things we see they saw for the media teams for APC. Let us see how the Mode Okpeburu they go out, they go public, they go to radio station, they talk to the people. Now them people who know you pass. The last campaign where I watch what I do, it be like now Shobole want vote for. Now Shobole they talk. People don't even know say that Mode Okpeburu now be the governor to come. They would say now Shobole be the governor. We want enter post. I don't understand. You understand? Oshomole, you don't rule you don't rule those states for 8 years. May you step down, make another person come out. Prove himself to those people say yes, he is qualified. He is qualified. May we know. This woman by English. Now your handwork pay. Okay, before you enter senator, people don't know you. You understand? Okay, when we leave that side, you don't still get money to take campaign. You want to come out as candidate of, you want to become a Edo State governor, or they don't bring you come out. Who bring you come out? Make it sponsor you for the campaign team now. Simple. Because with the way they look at, you be like who they carry come and work for them. It is not willingly from your hands, from your heart, then they put una for there. You understand? Because if I stand now say I want to become the governor of Edo State, I am able and willing and capable to face any challenges that comes in. Any media house where they say they can go speak, I'll go speak. Whether I'm Benin or talk, they will not be here. Benin may find translator. May go around. Straight down. The people have to hear my voice. People that will love you with your language will also love you with your language. People that will love you with your speech, they will love you with your speech. You also get your supporter, your lovers from your speech to the through the media. But I never see anyone. I have gone as far as to search. I see this man, Aswan Godaro. I don't see that one don't speak. They don't interview one in different platforms. Come on, a Ranomigo platform. Yeah, with this man, Ranomigo now. Lion and Tanga combine together. I will watch this man speak for a Ranomigo platform. Mr. Aswan Godaro. Bro, me never see anywhere for talk. Not be joke. These things join. It join the one who take convince us. See, you are really mad. See, but not be your wife and children. And they talk about man, so you be a father. You want to be a father to the Edos. Father to Edos, home and abroad. So you have to showcase yourself that you are able and capable to be the father of Edos. The media team side, where they say, you know the function. Every time I complain, before I post any video, they go flag on a video. PDP go flag on a video. Media, mona shift come, mona sit down. Agree to now. I don't know. Now they try. But the team not they work well. Why I say not they work well? Everybody from bows. You understand? Everybody they form bows for the media team of APC. That's why you see una media team they go down. You know they work well. Because majority of the people who are claiming bows for the media team of APC, they are illiterate. They don't. Sorry to say, don't be insult. When I mean they are illiterate, they don't go school. You understand? So they don't know anything about media. They won't be say they don't carry phone. The way I carry phone, carry ring lights, hang on, they talk. Then some get laptop, they don't even know how to operate their laptop. So they don't know what to do at the right time. They don't even know how to edit video. They don't even know how to flag video. They don't know how to remove flag for video. They don't know how to many things. You understand? They don't know. Now, this is my advice. Because now I'm going to bring a problem come out and I'm still giving a solution. First of all, APC media team wanna shift conclude. The grudges wanna get for ourselves, wanna keep aside. The grudges wanna get for ourselves as APC media team wanna keep aside. Una go now to campaign, push out your campaign to the world, to the media. Let the world seize. You understand? Una candidates, I take qualified to become the governor of Edo State 2024. You feel me? So that is your goal. That is the goal of the media team of APC. First, have at least 1 or 2 or 3 people that are intelligent, who understand system, who understand Facebook, YouTube perfectly. You understand? Get her as a director. You understand? We go the coordinates una brokers. Make her admin. Let each of the media team group get one particular or 2 persons who be the perfect for all these things. Be an admin on their pages. If that person not get laptop, when I buy a laptop, when I get as admin, it go be like on an engine room. This is my engine room. Whenever you people have anything like strike from the opponent, because why? Who you they criticize, no lock up. You go find anything to take flash you down. You go find anything to take close your Facebook page. If you don't know, the battle of politics not be beans. Don't be to chop money, come go sit down with SARS. To chop money, carry for the video of the APC, PDP, this is not. Hey, we're powerful. The person where the cause must come out constantly fight you with anything way you know. You understand? So inside there, so get a very good engineer who understand media to be in an engine room, have an engine room, systematic engine room, we understand media. As they drop your line, if they watch, if about they pay that money, everything like just that money. You understand? We're not going to spend money. The guy they did 247. For example, now say I be member of APC campaign media group. I come on live. As I did live, I drop my video for the group. Phew. The media engineer don't this say, go click on my video, don't see my video, say I did live. You dey feel me? It doesn't say I don't dey lie already, don't dey talk. It doesn't wetin I post, everything. Omo, he go enter line with me. He dey there, they watch, they observe. You understand? You go dey watch the broadcast. Just the one on the watch, so go dey watch broadcast. The system laptop dey on 247. They watch the broadcast. Immediately at the end, like if I get any strike, any restricted strike in my page, you know I go take tackle around sharply. My page go bounce back sharp. Because this time around, you don't need to get strike where go be say it will keep you ass for 1 week, 2 weeks. You know, because they throw away video. You understand? I know say many of them want to get 1, 2 to 3 pages when you want to go to politics. Because politics not be joke. Now game, now wutu. Now play and pass, now get upper hand. You understand? What you really need, now need engine room. That's an engine room will they deliver. Any broadcast when they do, it always there. If you not get any issue with na page, as you some people will drop as I do this now. Say I let this live now, they flag this video. I did this live now, they flag this video straight down. You understand? As the thing come, it appear for my screen. Bam, it paused my video. It paused and I have to resume the video again. Bam, now it come now. As I reduce the video, then my view hang on here. If I check the view now for my phone again, it don't high. But for here, it still remain 50 where it did before. Because the flag where they bring on this video. You understand? Share this video, wanna share it. May just switch those APC media, whatever. You understand right now? The way two person don't know, person the teacher. So for now when they do broadcast for APC, for your broadcast to stand still, they successful, not get issue. You need to get person engine room. I need to get engine room, very important. They cannot be joke. If you don't get engine room, now so PDP media group will be well now. Because PDP media group, they are very smart. PDP media group, they are very smart. Okay, now see now for here now get back. Almost 7 because PDP media they are very smart. View for your people view you live now. You understand? 8 people viewing live. But for here now 50. Call the flash way the flag with the flag now just now. You don't understand? So guys, media group for APC now need to get engine room. To get engine room. Not be the one they do so saga me, saga you, saga APC, vote as well, go down vote. No, you get specific person who say you understand all this system. The person no leave the hatred when you get for anybody. If you know say you understand system, like the coordinator, it will be the engine room of that group. Any issue come on, will be say that they flag your video, they street your video, you did live, they flag your video, you know they get view, your video they go viral. You need to go to appeal for Facebook. Now the engineer for the engine room, I'm going to do that one for you. All you need to do is to drop your lines for the group. The engineer don't see you. You need to carry your matter, you go your Facebook page because your Facebook is already there in system. Once your Facebook page there in system, you carry your matter, go your system. You don't do the necessary things right to Facebook, so they work on your to report, to submit your reports. You go submit your report to Facebook. Facebook will check. Like you go say, okay, bro, I don't do your matter, or maybe 1 or 2 days, they go release them as it be. You understand? But say this one want to do live broadcast. He say PDP, Aswe Godaro, vote Mandokpeworo, vote this one. You go first a message to Omozuo. Message to Frank Omozuo. Unokbekola. Vote Dennis Deko Idaosa for deputy. Vote Mandokpeworo for governor. Omozuo Oasungu. Omozuo. And you put Dennis Deko picture for there. If Omozuo now very intelligent and a very smart, understand computer, you they insult Omozuo now Dennis Deko picture and Mondokpeworo picture. Now they your screen. Omozuo go see your opportunity. So you go tell where your page would do. You understand? When they see what they play, where be say the knowledge, most of this media people they don't know. You dey insult Francomoso, and Francomoso understand system. You know how to give strike. You know how to flag your page. The person picture where you put just to use Francomoso and get view. The person picture where you put na Dennis Deco Idaosa. After you don't insult Francomoso, alaluhe, papa we mumu, asungu, alaluhe. And at the end of the day, Dennis Deco dey say, if alaluhe wan come strike, he not go use you. He go use that picture. When you see this, so tell where you. As you use and where you dey drop your page, you can't dey complain saying, "Una not dey try for this meeting, this media, PDP, you dey give us strike." The video where you do just now, they hear flag gun. The video where you do just now, they hear flag gun. And na Frank Victor flag you, not be PDP flag you. You believe say because you put on the power picture for them. Now PDP na flag you. Whereas now all you dey cause for your video na flag you. Many of una dey do that, but no go know. Una go media now. Una go na media go dey say na PDP na flag you. Albert Abaze na your flag you. That's no my Albert Abaze na flag you. Whereas now who you dey cause na flag you. If you get engine room, we understand this thing. Immediately, you go know what to do. You go know who give you strike. You go know who give you restriction. You understand? Because they know they hide them. Facebook go write them for them. It go write up. They go show you. If not the music where you play, whatever you do, they go know. If you cannot imagine APC Media Group, una go compose song for Dennis Deco Idaosa and Modokpewu. Just like as when you go down low, as when you go down low, don't go down. You remember they say they sing their song. They don't sing and finish. When you know, say any of una media group want to do broadcast, now this song they're supposed to take play, to take drag the awareness of the people, to come watch what you want to talk about. Then you will come out, una go put copyright for that same song. Where person 107% can pay for una. The song wanna bring come out, they take campaign una. That song was supposed to be free. Una go copyright am. The person you can't go play now. Una one media group go play for a broadcast. At the end, una go give a copyright. That's una go give a copyright. Page where person don't build for years. Don't use how many saga, how many whatever they build because of say una want do no want campaign for politics. Make a dog great. Una can't use that song to drop that person page. Is you right? How you go come motivate your team member, your group, your media group to take get that Z? They talk about Modokpewu, Aswen Godaro, Dennis Deco Idaosa. Not before now. I didn't miss their name. Aswen na for a PDP. Dennis Deco and Bewu na APC. They miss their name. Aswen no, Aswen talk to. Na PDP I talk to. APC na talk to. Which is very bad. When I go systemize na media group or media campaign team, when I go systemize them, when I go work on a media campaign team, many people will stand for the thing where they affect APC. 85% of the people will be leader for the media group of APC don't know what is media. They don't understand media. Now them money they pass and they come, they share the peanut they give you now. So they don't know what to be media, and they not see organizer with the people who know them. Oversabi. This one talk to Pewo by himself. This one communicate with Pewo by himself. This one communicate with Dennis Delta by himself. Now what did they happen to APC media with that one? I too know, and they don't know anything. Now what is the problem of APC media team, campaign media team with that one? At least you go see person where they drop lines out. For example, what is their name? Okpeworo, yeah. Okpeworo, Dennis, and Dennis. They go in circle. Let's say, for example, they go in circle. They will have their media team where they follow them. As that one they do video, they do recording, either live stream or videoing. Most time now videoing because some of the places not talking about they just video shop script, they drop on. Video shop script, they drop on. Especially place where we say in the talk, the congregation, You stand the crowd. You picture them, you drop them. You video them, you drop them. Media people, where they do live broadcast. Now they see when I sit down, you spend money to get good quality of broadcast. This is the reason why you see say Eranomigo in broadcast for this media now so far. Eranomigo are about to be the best. No me say they praise them, it's they're the best. They deliver well. Eranomigo will come out, he will give you the scenario of what is going on right now. This one, what is they call this guy want to try small. This my boy for Switzerland, Sweden. This my boy for Sweden. If they try small, but that one, the guy as in broadcast did the. You know when you do things, you know they are rich. You know they catch and well. Still, I know if they try for real. What is it? Olakoko they try, but Olakoko still need to brush up for a broadcast. They need to brush them up. The way they deliver lives. Fine, if you want to bring guests, come talk. You want to bring guests, come. There are ways you arrange your screen, your lines. People come watch and very because why? Politics now dignity people. They watch broadcasts of politics. They sit down. They want to listen to what you want to drop. People that are coming to speak. If you want to do saga, we do saga. Now saga you want to. If you want to talk about politicians, you want to talk about candidates, things they have done, where he has started from, things where he did now. There are people that know him too, where they want to address the public. You want to bring them in, you can't speak. You arrange your laptop, you arrange your screen, you give a title, you give a screen. Your caption will drag attention of the people. Then bring them in by in, and drop their lives in a very matured manner. Everybody will listen, and anybody want to contribute with very clean, purity, mature way. People go enjoy their broadcast. A dog woman and abroad goes love to sit down, call it to you. Now what's here and we go to the cure now. When we go to drop line now, if now campaign where protest we want to deny want to talk about, you go drop now. This protest happen in Ubawa. This one happen in Ekenwa Road. This one happen. You go play them, calm down, listen, hear them, analyze them straight in now. Let's listen to what happened in those states today. If they do one, it go be like saying there those states where the thing they happen. Now brain, you understand? Now brain, not be this one. You go just. I don't want to criticize anybody. I don't want not the trial. I don't want to criticize them now, but I know where they fuck up. When I try to tackle now, brokers. When I try to tackle now, brokers, and APC when I give these people money, when they change their system, when they change their brokers, when they get laptop, it's very important. If I really need this campaign, when I give them money, when they buy laptop, when they invite guests, it's very simple. Let them invite guests. For example, you be APC member, you don't like brokers. Now we get on that APC member also an media person. Let me bring what do they call this man now? Wait there for Highland. What's his name in Highland? Andrew Amafama. He's a member of APC media team. You bring him here. Let us interview Andrew Amafama about this our upcoming candidate Dennis Deko Idaosa and Monday Okpeworo. Mr. Man, what do you have to tell us about Monday Okpeworo? As an Asian man, you give him a role, you give him time to talk. Now 5 minutes he go talk, you go drop all he lies. The Beninese they go listen to them. They go listen to them when talk. Now if you are bringing in Mr. Dennis brother Edimofi Idaosa, you are bringing Edimofi Idaosa on in. It's 2 minutes or 5 minutes. You bring them in, they give their lives. As a broadcast, as a presenter, you go there unique, go there uniform. No, but this one, Alaluhe, vote Mother Peru, Alaluhe, vote Mother Peru. Dennis Decker, vote Mother Peru. Oh, I was Zaga. I can move you away. Oh, you don't a Kiema Baba. A Kiema Baba. You go sit down on website they use money, they buy man, they go for different country. We call an attachment back for Ogi. That one just come on. Vote for the desert. We need that to be great. We need that to be great. We need. Oh, come on. One of the upgrades. One of try the upgrade. Not the try you. Also not the try. Gonna time not the use. Not the try. What the person don't know. Now person the teacher. If you not like, people are instruction, okay. Man, the truth I tell you no. You don't get money that wanna give me. Don't get shishi wanna give me. If you not do where I go talk. If you not do where I go see this gun going on, my man be bastard. You feel me so? Every no one will say, I want to time where we not let. I'm me talking and say, hey, no, we go to try for brokers. Leave the hatred, the anger I'm gonna get for each other. For in terms of brokers for media, if they deliver, I'm a media person. I understand when person they give us in brokers. I know how it be. How about they try? Not be all the time. About not be all the time. I see they lose guard sometimes. Not be all the time. But normally, for how about the drag? How about the drag awareness? If you talk of awareness, how about the drag awareness past amigo? What they keep amigo for lamb lies? Now the way they present in brokers. And for awareness, for the media awareness, how about number one? You know they collect them. They don't collect them. A drag and clear. Not be so my people, I don't stay. I can't have a God. I can't have a God. We're not enough about God. Oh, my not be that one we need. Get a big pass something. When I leave Oba matter for this one. This is politics. Do your politics. Give the people, give Edo people wait till you know say this man qualify for. Give them to Edo people make a year. Drop out Edo people. Now what you want here be that one. Now they carry you know you get any other thing to take and people say, hey my people, today now they go I court. When I come, Edo people, Edo sons are daughter, oh man bro. Come on for your Oba. Come on. Oh yeah pa. Talk about politics. Then you leave Oba matter for you. Oba matter will solve it amicably. Simple. Please. APC media team. When I work on our media team is very important. Let me see changes. From today as I drop this advice for now. Let me see changes. And also want not cost me and I matter be down and I will be down. You understand? Who pack a shower for full body? Why did not cost me? Now cost me now. So then I will be down. Now I know my problem. But when we see changes, when we see the way they bring in Okbewolo and then it's out on media. It's very important. It's very important. And that's my short message for APC media team and Mode Okbewolo. You understand? We need active. Active. No one did they active. You need to see that activeness, that gingerness. Not pack money, give some set of people that just sit down for his house. They call the same one and go sit down for Zoom group. When I do Zoom group. At the end of the Zoom group, when they do, we don't see any improvement. It's this truth. We don't see anything improvement. You know who they hear the shots, live video, they shout. Who they shop the money for corner, they shop.
Thank you everyone for watching. God bless you all, my amazing people. My people, what do you think about this matter? When UMENWAN carry come, make una no fail to drop una opinion on this matter. God bless you all. Please no fail to like and share and also subscribe to support your girl. Bye bye. God bless.